Hey guys, it's Cody with Home to Homestead, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add some chain oil to your STIHL Farm Boss chainsaw here. So this is super simple, and I love how easy this is. Your Farm Boss has two reservoirs in it, a front one and a rear one, okay? The rear one, you'll notice, you can see this little gas icon here. Guess what goes there? Your gas. If we go up here to the front, you'll see a little chain blade icon, a little oil icon. That's it, there you go. All we gotta do is open this little latch right here. We're gonna put the chainsaw up on a nice level surface, and we're gonna turn that. Boom. All right, so I got my chain oil here, and inside your reservoir, if you look down and at an angle, you will see a little line. That is your fill to the max line. So we're just going to top this off. We don't need a line here because we topped it off recently, and I just want to make sure that we're maintaining it properly. All right. Boom, let that kind of go out. Then you just line everything back up. You twist it on tight, pop your latch down, and bam, you're ready to go. Can't make it any easier. This is super easy. I love it. It's super quick to do, and it's that kind of maintenance that you need to do on your chainsaw to make sure that it's working the best so it can work for you. Anyways, guys, if you found this tip helpful and you want to follow along with us here on the homestead and all the adventures we're up to, drop that subscribe. I got a little clicky icon going on there. I made that myself. Very proud. But yeah, anyways, this is Cody with Home to Homestead out here.